Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is about my model of a driving robot, a mobile robot, and it's the Discovery. So what does it have? A camera, active sonar, on the front touch sensors, and that's about it for sensors. Then also a propeller right here to show that the algorithm is still running, the program is still running, and that's about it. Batteries that I don't always use, and that's a topic that I want to address right now. I just filmed the short, 16 seconds, and the problem that I faced was initially that the batteries were dead, didn't do anything. So prior to filming the short, I had to charge them both. That took some time, obviously. Then plugging them like they're plugged now, and I need to make a reconstruction because this is giving in way too easily. And then it turned out that while doing a second or a third take on the short, usually I mentioned 2 takes or something, now I needed 8 takes, and I noticed the controller was off, which also means that the batteries were dead. So right now, yes, they're plugged, but they're not doing anything, hence the AC adapter being plugged in. So that's something to think about as well. In the meantime, apart from the reconstruction that is pending, also on the other side, back to the colors, color recognition. And of course driving, because lately it hasn't done any driving. Not that I didn't try, but it didn't move at all. So why is that? So that's the intention, the agenda. Let's see whatever we can do. Screencast, as usual. The setting is also as usual. That means that this should contain code. This does have the execution panel, so let's name the tabs. And another thing is, in the past, recent past, I said I would change to C or C++. I still am planning to do so, but for now it's like this. And then the window for on the system, it's on the laptop, not on this system, but really on the laptop, where I display any pictures grabbed by this camera. Then let's run it. And I do hope that it does run, in the sense that it moves, not the program running, because that it does, but you get what I mean, I hope. Color, red, something I know that works. And okay, and now right here the real stuff is working because the propeller started to work. But there's no movement. Once again, there's absolutely no movement. I'm copying all images. Now it does work. And I forgot to remount the hind wheel. So yeah, it does work with it, but
And it has quite a load since the batteries are on it, which is not per usual. Let's keep mounting it. Right. So yeah, it's running, definitely.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. If you are not a member via Patreon or Ko-fi, you can buy the video and watch whatever happened and was unexpected. Reconstruction, I had to fix things, unexpected findings in code and in results. So I have to rethink how this robot is built, how sensors are being positioned, etc. New findings in all those years that I have made and rebuilt, remodeled, reconstructed this robot, yet again new insights. And therefore this is being continued. Thank you for my supporters, listed on my website, depending on the pledge and membership you take. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.